Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how inside a sandwich cookie factory making thousands every day is made, step by step.
Every single day, this factory produces thousands of sandwich cookies. Most people never see what happens behind these walls. Before production begins, the factory slowly wakes up, preparing for another long day of work. For the workers, this routine starts the same way every morning: calm, focused and familiar. Machines begin their warm-up cycles, systems checking temperatures, timing, and speed. Nothing moves fast at first. Every part is tested before production begins. Fresh air circulates through the factory, keeping the environment clean and controlled. Each worker knows their position, ready to keep the process running smoothly. A final inspection ensures every machine is ready for the workload ahead. With all systems aligned, the factory reaches a steady, ready state. This quiet moment sets the pace for thousands of sandwich cookies that will soon be made. It all begins with simple ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa, and butter. Up, ante up. Sugar follows next, adding the sweetness that defines the cookie's flavor. Cocoa powder gives the cookies their deep color and familiar taste. Butter is added to balance the texture, bringing richness and smoothness to the dough. Before anything moves forward, each ingredient is prepared for precise measurement. Exact measurements ensure every batch tastes the same, day after day. Once measured, ingredients are staged in order, ready for the next step. Nothing is rushed. Timing and preparation matter just as much as the ingredients themselves. With everything measured and ready, the foundation of every sandwich cookie is now in place. The mixing process begins slowly, allowing each ingredient to blend without rushing. As the mixers turn dry and wet, ingredients slowly become one. The dough thickens with every rotation, developing its signature texture. This is when the dough begins to behave exactly as intended. Temperature and speed are carefully adjusted to avoid overworking the dough. Every fold helps build consistency, ensuring the cookies bake evenly later on. Experienced hands confirm when the dough has reached the perfect balance. Once the texture is just right, the mixing cycle begins to slow. With the dough complete, everything is ready for shaping and baking. The dough is shaped into perfect rounds and baked at precise temperatures to achieve that familiar crunch. Once mixed, the dough is rolled into thin, even sheets to prepare it for shaping. Precision cutters press into the dough, creating perfectly uniform cookie shapes. Each round is carefully separated, ensuring minimal waste and consistent size. The cookies move forward in organized rows, spaced evenly for baking. These ovens are calibrated to exact temperatures, baking thousands of cookies at once. Inside the heat, the dough transforms, developing its crunch and deep flavor. As they emerge, the cookies are fully baked, crisp and uniform. Before moving on, the cookies are allowed to cool to stabilize their texture. At this stage, each cookie is ready for the next step in the process. While the cookies cool, the signature cream filling is prepared: smooth, sweet, and perfectly balanced. The process begins gently, allowing the ingredients to combine evenly. Air is introduced carefully, giving the filling its light and smooth texture. At first, the mixture is loose, slowly coming together with each rotation. The mixing speed is adjusted to reach the perfect consistency. Temperature and texture are closely monitored, throughout the process. Once ready, the cream moves smoothly through the system, without interruption. This steady flow ensures consistent filling for every cookie. Final checks confirm the cream is exactly how it should be. With the filling complete, everything is ready for assembly. This is where it all comes together. 2 cookies, 1 layer of cream. Click it ballet, assembled with incredible precision. Multiple lines work at the same time, assembling hundreds of cookies every minute. Each machine releases the exact amount of filling. Never more, never less. The top cookie is placed gently, sealing the filling inside. Perfect alignment ensures a clean finish on every single cookie. The repeated motion creates a steady, satisfying rhythm. In just seconds, a simple cookie becomes a complete sandwich. Even with automation, human eyes ensure everything stays perfect. Every finished cookie meets the same standard before moving forward. Thousands of cookies assembled flawlessly, one after another. Each cookie is checked for quality before being packed and prepared for stores across the country. Inspection begins as the cookies move through dedicated quality control stations. Any cookie that doesn't meet the standard is removed immediately. This keeps only the best cookies moving forward. Approved cookies enter automated packaging systems designed for speed and protection. Each package is sealed to preserve freshness. Once wrapped, the cookies continue toward final packing. Packages are carefully arranged into boxes for safe transport. Each box is sealed and stacked, ready to leave the factory. From inspection to packaging, every step ensures quality reaches the customer. From a simple idea to thousands of cookies a day, alone, this factory turns ordinary ingredients into a snack enjoyed everywhere. Every detail tells the story of careful craftsmanship. Inside, the balance between crunch and cream comes together perfectly. This simple layer is what makes the sandwich complete. Thousands of cookies share the same care and precision. Each one shaped, baked, and assembled with intention. From a quiet factory floor to store shelves around the country, every sandwich cookie follows the same careful process.